Sarah's kid kept sneezing at night. Turns out their mattress was crawling with mites. She tried everything, washing sheets daily, those smelly sprays, nothing worked. Then she got this mite cleaner, and bam, kids sleeping like a rock in 3 days. So what's the big deal? First off, it's like a tiny germ hunter. Kills 99.9% of bacteria and 100% of mites. Seriously, 100%. I saw the test results. And the suction, it yanks out hair, dust, all that gross stuff you can't see in 2 seconds flat. Way better than vacuums that just push dirt around. Cordless, too, runs for a full hour, enough to clean your mattress, couch, even kids' stuffed animals without plugging in. Sarah says she zips through her whole bedroom in 15 minutes now. Oh, and get this, over 50,000 people bought it in the first 2 months. My co-worker Mike, his wife has allergies, and he swears by it. We used to wake up stuffy, he told me. Now, it's like sleeping in a new bed every night. Plus, it's got UV light and silver ions. Docs say that's the good stuff for killing germs. Here's the kicker, it's 50% off right now, $99 instead of $198. They're almost sold out. Free shipping, 7-day returns if you hate it, and it ships in 1 to 2 days. Look, we all spend a third of our lives in bed, why breathe in gross stuff? My sister got one for her couch, and now she lets the dog sleep there without panicking. It's not just about cleaning, it's about finally feeling clean, you know? But seriously, don't wait. The site says less than 100 left. Click that link below, grab yours before they're gone. Trust me, your nose, and your kids, will thank you. Go go go!